Hello everyone, my name is Akeem, and today I want to take you on a journey through the past 9 years of my life as a content creator. From humble beginnings in Tanzania to my current endeavors, it's been an incredible ride, and I couldn't have made it this far without your support. It all started in 2015, right in the heart of my bedroom in Tanzania. With nothing but a simple camera and a dream, I began my journey into the world of content creation. Those early days were filled with trial and error, late nights, and a lot of learning on the go. But passion was my fuel, and my bedroom was my studio, where ideas transformed into videos. In 2019, I took a bold step and moved to Nairobi. This move was more than just a change of scenery. It was a leap toward new opportunities. During this time, I had the chance to be part of a school movie, a project that not only enhanced my skills, but also broadened my horizons. Nairobi became a new canvas for my creativity, and the experiences there were invaluable. Also in 2019, I launched my YouTube channel. The beginning was tough, growth was slow, and the challenges seemed never-ending. But I was determined. I poured my heart into creating content, experimenting with different styles, and engaging with you, my audience. Slowly but surely, the channel began to grow. As of today, we've reached 3,700 subscribers, and each milestone is a testament to the support and encouragement you've given me. As I reflect on these past 9 years, I'm filled with gratitude. From the early days in my bedroom to working on films in Nairobi and building a YouTube community, it's been a journey of growth and discovery. Yet I know there are so many more dreams to chase, places to explore, and skills to master. Your support has been the cornerstone of my journey. Every subscription, like, comment, and view has made a difference. It's because of you that I've been able to pursue my passion and continue creating content. As I look to the future, I'm excited about the new projects and adventures that lie ahead. But I need your help to keep moving forward. Please continue to support me by subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting on my videos, and sharing them with others who might enjoy them. Your feedback is invaluable, so don't hesitate to advise me on how I can improve and bring even better content to you. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. Here's to many more years of creativity, growth, and shared experiences. Thank you for joining me today and for being an essential part of my story. I'm looking forward to what the future holds. I'm thrilled to have you all along for the ride. Stay tuned, stay supportive, and let's continue this amazing journey together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, keep dreaming big and stay creative.